Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Honda Accord on jack stands using an easy method. First, ensure your car is on a level surface with the parking brake engaged for safety. Then, find the front jack point, which is typically a strong, central area. Carefully place your floor jack there and begin to raise the front of your Accord until it's high enough for the stands. Once the front of your Accord is lifted, position your jack stands under the sturdy frame rails or pinch welds. These are strong points designed to support the car's weight. Carefully lower the vehicle onto the stands, making sure they are properly seated. Give the car a gentle push to confirm it's stable before proceeding. Safety is always paramount. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. And on another note, staying hydrated is key during any project. I highly recommend the Owala water bottle to keep your fluids up. You can find the link for it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, shift your attention to the rear of your Honda Accord. Find the central rear jack point, which is usually a strong cross-member or a reinforced area designed for lifting. Position your floor jack squarely under this point. Begin to slowly raise the rear of the vehicle, ensuring it lifts evenly. You'll want enough clearance to comfortably place your jack stands. With the rear lifted, place your remaining 2 jack stands under the designated rear support points, such as the frame rails or pinch welds. Once they are in position, slowly lower the car onto them. Take a moment to double-check that all 4 jack stands are firmly supporting the vehicle and that it feels completely stable. Your safety depends on this crucial step.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.